Hello everyone, welcome to another video of this revision series. In this video, we will talk about pain pathway. Actually, there is two types of pain, fast pain and slow pain. When a tissue is incised by a sharp instrument, say a knife, there is an immediate sharply localized pain felt at the area. This is known as fast pain. And if the fast pain is followed by a dull, diffuse burning type of pain, this is called slow pain. And fast pain is usually transmitted via large diameter fiber called A delta fiber, and slow pain is carried via small diameter fiber called C fibers from free nerve endings or receptors present in the periphery of our body. And both these fibers are called first order neuron fibers, which terminate in the posterior horn. For A delta fibers, they terminate in the lamina 1-5, and for C fibers they terminate in the lamina 1 and 2 of the posterior horn. From the posterior horn there is crossing over occur and there is formation of second order neurons. And A delta fibers form the neospinothalamic tract from this posterior horn, and C fibers will form the paleospinothalamic tract from the posterior horn. And neospinothalamic tract neurons will release glutamate, whereas paleospinothalamic tract will release substance P as a neurotransmitters. They ultimately go to the midbrain, medulla, midbrain, and then to the thalamus. In the thalamus, for paleospinothalamic tract, there is ventrolateral nucleus and intralaminar nucleus, and for neospinothalamic tract, there is ventrolateral nucleus. And from this thalamus, third order neurons arise. For neospinothalamic tract, the third order neuron directly ends in the post-central gyrus. But in case of paleospinothalamic tract that carries ultimately the slow pain via C fibers, there is diffuse connections due to various neurons have connection to the thalamus, then to the post-central gyrus, etc. Thereby there is diffuse connections in between the neurons, and thereby the pain sensation is also diffuse type or slow pain sensation occurs. Although the pain fibers end in the cortex while senses the finer aspects of pain, pain can also be sensed at subcortical level due to the activity of thalamus. Now the pain sensation of the face, it is carried by trigeminal nerve, and from the axons of the first order neurons end in the spinal nucleus of the trigeminal nerve, and second order neurons arise from this spinal nucleus, cross to the opposite side and reach to the posteromedial nucleus of thalamus. From the thalamus, the third order neuron arises and passes through the posterior limb of the internal capsule to end in the post-central gyrus. Thereby pain pathway completes. So this is all about two types of pain pathway, that is fast pain pathway forming the neospinothalamic tract and slow pain pathway forming the paleospinothalamic tract. Thank you guys for watching.